Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can make a square root symbol in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Word first to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then from here, we just need to use our keyboard. So if you have your numeric keypad on your keyboard, physical keyboard, well, good. But if not, do not worry. You can always use the on-screen keyboard of your Windows. So for that, open the on-screen keyboard by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank page. And here, you just need to simply look at your physical keyboard and press the Alt key. So once you press the Alt key, as you can see, this will be in a blue color, visible in blue color on the on-screen keyboard as a mark that we have pressed the Alt key. Press the Alt key and then on the numeric keypad on the right pane, press 251. Again, it's Alt key and then 251 on the on-screen keyboard, and then slowly release your finger on the Alt key. And that's it. So while pressing the Alt key, you have to press 251. Do not release your finger from the Alt key while pressing the number 251 on the numeric keypad. So again, it's Alt plus 251. That is the shortcut in creating the root symbol or square root symbol in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.